Best friends Q and U. Q and U are quite a team. They quack together at some quill. They cuddle together in the square. They squeeze together on the bus. They search together for a quarter. They squeal together at the queen. They sigh together during a quiz. They squash together in the mud. They squint together at some squid. They stick together in an earthquake. Q and U are quite a team. Thank you.
Detail from the story supports the idea that Q and U are a great team. They like to play together. They go on vacation together. They stick together in an earthquake. Which activity do Q and U do first? Squeal at the queen. Quack at the quails. Quilt in the square. Why did the author write Best Friends Q and U? To inform readers about every word that can be spelled with Q, U. To persuade readers to be kind to their best friend. To entertain and inform readers about how the letters Q and U work together in many words. Who are the main characters in this story? Q and U, the queen and people on the bus, the squid and the quails. On a very bright and sunny day, Q and U might need to squeeze, squint, squish,